Hi and welcome everyone. Lisa here. Thanks for joining me on my YouTube channel. So today is a mini release for Whimsy Stamps, and I thought we would just have a quick look at the products that are releasing. We're going to get started with the new Open Door Cling Red Rubber Stamp. I've actually went ahead and stamped it out in black and white just so you guys can see all the gorgeous detail in the stamp. I can't wait to color this stamp up. I think it's just going to be so pretty for spring cards. A simple hello note card. It's going to be gorgeous. So next up we have the Exclamation background stamp. This is another clean red rubber stamp, and I do have it stamped out here for you. This is going to be great paired with the previously released WTF die over at Whimsy. You need to check that out to go with that. It's going to be a good one together. So meet Ophelia. She is the latest addition to the Polka Dot Pals collection on the Whimsy Stamps website. These stamps are so much fun because you can mix and match the stamp sets from this collection. I do have a sample I'm going to share with you in just a few seconds. Now, when you stamp her straight out of the package, she just has her little eyes. But there's also a facial feature stamp down here that you're going to be able to stamp if you want to add more details to her face, like the mouth, the nose, and the eyes. Now, I used a different facial feature stamp from another one of the characters on my card so that you could see how you could change those out and mix and match them. But I just created a really fun scene here. I used some of the Fadoodle stamps to create those fun little flower decorations hanging down from the table, and then the Slimline bunting borders from Whimsy, and also that vintage wallpaper background stamp was from Whimsy as well. So this is Dudley. Everybody loves Dudley. He is super cute, and this one is called Dudley's Valentine. We get 3 Dudley characters, and then of course the little heart with the wings, and then those great sentiments as well. This is the new Nope stamp set. I love the little characters in this. They are so funny. I have a sample that I created to share with you on this one, but the sentiments are so much fun in this. Being an adult is the dumbest thing I've ever done, but I don't want to be over the hill. Adult today, you can't make me. Nope. So how's your day going? And here you can see I paired it with one of these sentiments from the Kiss Off stamp set to say, nope, not today, Cupid, along with using a little bit of the new Heart to Heart 6x6 paper. And we're going to go over that in just a few seconds. But I absolutely love this little no stamp set. It is so cute. Here we have another Dudley stamp set. This is called Dudley's Meld with Love. I do have a sample to share with you on this one. So you're going to get 2 of those cute little Dudley characters, and then the mailbox and sentiments with this one as well. And there are some great products in the Whimsy Stamps online shop that go great with this. I'm going to show those to you. I used them on my card. So I used the Extreme Postage die set with this one, and I also used the hearts die cut out from the Slimline heart background die that just recently released. And all the little stamps on the hearts, those are from the Christmas postcard stamp set. So that was a great way to use that, stretch the use of that. And I did use the Speech Bubbles dies and then the mini alphabet stamp set to create my own little Wait Mr. Postman sentiment up there. So I colored Dudley with my Copic markers and my polychromos and just sat down and enjoyed myself with this one and had a lot of fun. So here I'm going to flip through the pattern papers from the new Heart to Heart 6x6 paper pad from Whimsy. Now they're doing single-sided pattern papers now, which I love. I don't have to pick and choose which pattern I want to give up to use the other pattern. And you're getting 30 sheets, and you're also getting 2 each of 15 designs. So all of the designs in here are so much fun. There's pinks and blues and whites in this pack, some sketchy hearts in here, some fun lips, just a bunch of different things. You're going to be able to use this all year long. This will be so cute for babies, Mother's Day, love you, thinking of you, so many great things. Also, It's great for just creating some simple note cards like I did here when you just want to send someone a "Hey, I'm thinking about you." So this is the envelope edger die set from Whimsy, and we have the first little die here. It cuts like the flap of an envelope. Now you could use this to create envelopes and have a really fun designer element to your envelope, or you could just use it to die cut layers for your cardstock. There's lots of options with these. Here we have the curved edged, and those are little scallops and diamonds on that one. And then the heart one has a little scalloped edge and tiny little hearts in it. This is a little bit different in that it has two designs on each side of the cut line, and the designs just emboss your paper. They don't cut out. So you're just getting that one cut line with that nice curve to it. And you could create some fun flaps on your Slimline envelopes with this. Or you could, again, use that on a card as well. And the last one here has the same thing where it has the two designs on each side of the cut line. And one side is stars and the other side is just like a little piercing. Now the stars actually do cut out. I like that because, again, tiny little pieces to be used with your shaker cards. And speaking of shaker cards, they have some really fun shaker bits in the Whimsy Stamps online shop, in case you didn't know that. Be sure to check those out as well. They have the sparklets and the sprinklets, and here these are from Buttons Galore and more. That's going to pretty much wrap us up for this reveal, and I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below, and I will be seeing you again soon.